Smoking on the best, I'm kicking sauce that Carolina shit. Niggas only gangster when they tryna beef by the bitch. Cash out like casinos in this bitch, we tryna hit a lick. Hustle to survive, the only way to make it out the sticks. If you ain't playing ball, you trapping, rapping, coming from the bricks. Niggas buying hats cause they be capping, ain't that by the bitch.
What's going on? So, another video. We got a two-wheel drive GMC Sierra. It is a single cab. Gonna be doing a spindle source 6-inch lift. So haven't done one of these before. Usually everybody goes with the rough country or something similar, but he went with the spindle source. It's supposed to be 6 in the front, 4 in the back to make it even. I know these two-wheel drives don't really sit too high whenever they lifted, so yeah, I mean, it's just gonna be maybe about 3 or 4 more inches taller in the front, and then the same in the rear. All right, so picking back up, got the spring and everything out. This is everything that I'm gonna need to take out for right now. I'm about to take this upper out, and then gotta put these uppers together. So if you ever get some uppers from Spindle Source and they look like this, it took me a little minute to kind of figure it out because this shit is kind of weird, but it comes like this. So it comes with these pieces. So you'll get the ball joint standard, and then you'll get this little piece, and this piece will go underneath the same direction. It'll go up under here like this. So you'll put that under there, then you'll slide the ball joint in like that, and then it'll go how it needs to go. You can kind of see it a little bit here. As you see, you got a little spacer piece down here, and then the ball joint slid in between these slots. And I put the bolts in, and it's good to go. So it's kind of confusing. Took me a little minute to figure it out, but got it figured out. And now we're gonna put this other one together, and then go ahead and start throwing this side together. Once I get this side together, I can roll over to the next side, and then that'll be pretty much it for the front. All right, so finally, after a couple hours, I got this shit finished up. This is the most sketchy shit I ever have done. This goes for all two-wheel drive fucking coil spring models. Whenever you got to put that coil spring spacer in there, bro, that shit's so sketchy. I had to put the jack in the little pocket under there and just jack it up and connect the spindle. And yeah, I finally got this shit done, on this side at least. All I gotta do is connect all the little miscellaneous shit, and then it'll be good to go. But now I'm about to start on this side and get this knocked out, so that way we can get them on out of here probably tomorrow once I put the rear lift in. But yeah, man, if you're doing this shit on a two-wheel drive and it's got coil springs, be careful, because the spring will shoot the hell out. It will shoot the control arm to the ground. It can go anywhere. So just be extra careful whenever you're doing this shit. Thankfully, it weren't like a big ass 3-inch level. It was like a 1.5 with the 3-inch spindles, or like a 2-inch level to put on top with 3-inch spindles. But I don't know exactly. I didn't measure it out, but it's supposed to, like I said, it's supposed to sit up 6 inches, and I can really see a pretty good difference just off of this. A lot of people go with the rough country 6-inch lift. I installed one of them before, and yeah, those are pretty shitty, I ain't gonna lie to you. The coil spacer and everything goes in all fucked up. The springs will be bowed out. It's just weird. If you got a two-wheel drive coil spring model, I'd recommend probably just lowering it and not getting into all this extra shit here, because it's really not safe. Not too safe, not gonna lie to you. But you see I got 3 jacks. That's what it took. I had to have that one holding the control arm up, put that one under the ball joint. That one's holding the truck up so it don't fucking, teeter-totter sideways. And yeah, it's a whole bunch of crazy ass shit that I had to do. But like I said, man, got it done. I had to drill those spindles out because the upper control arm stud, it wasn't gonna fit. Let's get to the other side and let's get started. Perfecto, motherfucker. Now, by no means is this a professional way to do it, but it's a way you can do it. All right, so finally got both sides done. And before I put this wheel on, I wanted to show y'all again, just kind of everything went together, and just gonna have to tweak the alignment a little bit, but I'm gonna worry about that tomorrow. But yeah, the front's done. Now all I gotta do is finish up the rear, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow, like I said. But I mean, if you look at how high this is sitting in the air right now, it's definitely taller than a rough country, and it's just a damn leveling kit and some spindles. So if you're looking to buy 6-inch rough country, I'd say don't do it, because that shit involves a whole lot more work than you need to be doing just to get the same lift as this. If you look back on the little video I did probably a couple months ago, I did a white round body 2-wheel drive, and it sat like a fucking leveling kit whenever I put the 6-inch rough country on it. So this is a good sign, man. All right, so we got it all knocked out. You can see kind of how it's sitting in the front, even though I got the rear end jacked up. Just got the blocks finished up, and didn't even see the helper bags back here, but this is a cool little system right here. Nice little helper bag system. But yeah, just got the rear lift done, and she's all good to go. So about to put the wheels back on, get her back on all four. Then I got to get this alignment kind of straight. Aside from the front being a bitch and a half, everything else turned out smooth. It was a quick little kit, $700 I think it was, from Spindle Source, and don't come with instructions. So if you don't know what the hell you're doing, or if you ain't watching this video, you probably not gonna know what the hell you're doing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. About to go ahead and put these wheels on, and then get her aligned, and then we'll pull her out and see what she looks like outside. All right, so we all done. Got the wheels on, everything's torqued and ready to go. So yeah, this is how she looks. So about to pull her out and get the little chally out the way, so that way I can get this in the yard, and then go ahead and let him know he can be heading this way to come pick it up, and then we'll be done for today. I'm gonna try to do a little review on the chally at the end of the video. So as long as the weather's pretty good, which don't look like it's gonna rain today, I'll do a little review. All right, so she's all done. Like I said, this is a 6-inch Spindle Source lift. You can get it off the Spindle Source website. It ain't nothing but a coil spacer, upper control arms, and spindles, and comes with the 4-inch blocks in the back, and this is what it's gonna look like all the way put together. It's pretty level, so a lot better than the rough country kit, in my opinion. It ain't gonna make you nosedive or no shit like that, and it's a lot quicker to install. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, man. Like I said, I'm about to pull this up front, go ahead and let him know he can be heading my way, so that way he can come pick this thing up, and then got another one done. So let's go ahead and fast forward to the little car review so y'all can see what I got. All right, so got some parts for the Challenger, but about to go ahead and show y'all kind of what we got going on. Oh shit, some shit falling in there. But about to show y'all kind of what I got going on. Meant to show y'all the other day, but I wanted to close out this video real quick. But let's go see. Oh, damn, the wind's blowing like a motherfucker. Okay, cool. Yeah, fuck me. Well, here she is. 2017 Challenger. It's a TA. You can see there. It's like the Trans Am edition. It's got Scat Pack suspension, the hood, and it's got the Scat Pack wheels. Pretty much the whole body of the fucking Scat Pack with a 5.7 in it. The reason why I got this over Scat, man, is just the price point. I got this for like probably about 6,000 less than the actual Scat Pack, so it ended up being a better deal for me. It needed a little bit of cosmetic, you know, work just because it got sun faded and shit like that, but Ain't really a big deal for what I got for it, man. It was definitely worth it. It drives real good. Got a lot of plans for it, so I'll show y'all the inside. A little dirty because it came from the country, but it's got the TA seats. It's literally got everything I need. 6-speed. About to change the shift knob out. That's what I got in the package. Got the Super Track pack and all that stuff, so everything in here is loaded. Got the heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats and everything. It's got the Alpine sound system, so I mean, it's really loaded, man. I ain't gonna lie. So it was definitely worth to buy. Sold Big Red and sold it to Rodolfo and Daniel from Los Chicos, their uncle. I sold it to him probably a couple weeks ago and he got it out of here. Got it going and got a car that I've been wanting for a long time. So I do got a lot of plans for this thing. I do plan on going with like a stage 2 or 3 cam. Probably gonna go with a Hellcat supercharger and get the Hellcat supercharger kit eventually down the road. Nothing that I'm looking to do right now. I really plan on basically making this shit a Hellcat, man, for buying a regular RT. So yeah, I don't know, man. I found a couple wrecked Hellcats and shit. I got some ideas up my sleeve, but I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. It just depends on, you know, how things turn out. But yeah, that's pretty much the game plan for that thing. That was really all I wanted to, you know, cop for now. And I'm gonna eventually get me a truck. I'm thinking like a, I don't know, like a 99 to 06 or maybe a 07 to 13, either a Tahoe or a Silverado. I'm not too sure yet. It just depends on kind of, you know, what I find and what's at the best price point whenever I do decide to buy. But it ain't gonna be right now or the next couple months. It might be a couple months from now. I'm gonna just enjoy this, put my money into this for right now, and just see what we can do with it. But yeah, backyard build, still gonna be doing stuff. I'm still gonna be building trucks. I'm still gonna be trying to figure out what I'm gonna build next as far as a truck, because of course I can't stay away from trucks, but I wanted a car for the route that I take every day and traffic and shit that I have to deal with. When I was driving Big Red, bro, it was just OD. I can't swing around people in that big bitch. I can't speed, you know, in that motherfucker. So that was kind of the reason why I got rid of it. And it's just time for new shit, new content for the channel and stuff like that. And that's it, man. But a lot of people ask me, why would I get a 5.7 over a Scat Pack? Well, because, I mean, the price point, obviously, I'm not going to go out here and drop, you know, 40,000 on a fucking Scat Pack when I can take RT, get it for like 28, 30 with low miles, and then put probably 5K in it, and it'll be way faster than a fucking Scat Pack off rip. I plan on doing, like I said, cam, springs, retainers, all that new shit in the heads. And then once I get down to thinking about either putting a blower on it or a Pro Charger or something like that, that'll be a little bit down the road, but I'll make that decision soon. But right now I just want to get a cam, tune it, do some appearance mods like wheels, fucking diffuser. I'm gonna get some exhaust, more exhaust done. It's got a muffler delete right now. It sounds pretty good, but you know me, I like to be obnoxious when I get a car. Also got some new colorways in the stickers, like a bluish green. I got chrome. Still got to cut some more out. But yeah, man, that'll be it for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Check y'all out next time. Peace.